I went to Wally World and I bought me some of these clippers. Hey traders, it's me, Vicky of all trades. It is December 19th, 2020, the year of Corona. This year, I don't have any other solutions of making my hair get even and be right besides cutting it again. But this time I'm not using scissors. No. I went to Wally World and I bought me some of these clippers. I'm about to DIY these clippers, y'all. I've never used clippers ever in my life. I only use scissors to cut my hair, and the first time I really ever cut my hair was the last video, whatever that last video was that I cut my hair with scissors. So I mean I can perm my hair, I style my hair, I curl my hair, I went natural, I've learned how to color my hair. It's a DIY, shawty what? So if I can color my hair and I can cut my hair with scissors, I can figure this thing out with these clippers. Y'all ready? Here you go. So let me show you what I'm working with. I combed my hair out last night. I had to spread and pick it out and make sure that, you know, I got all the tangles out because the roots are thick. The roots is nice and thick, but these ends, oh my goodness, they get straggly. So here's one. Here you go. Look at the difference in, that's where my hair broke off. Like in this middle section, it's like in different spots.
I noticed my hair breaking off after using a homemade hair mask recipe I found on YouTube. I realized you can't use all the products that you find online. Make sure you know what type of products work best for your hair.
And it's like all of this section right here. Like in this, it's just in little spots in this section. So now with these clippers, I'm gonna have to, I don't know if I should cut this stuff down first with the scissors and then go from there and then trim it up, because this stuff is not, you know, I don't know what the heck. It's not even at all. Look at this. Look at this. And look at this. Look how much my hair has broken off. That is crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, here it is, right here. Okay, here we go. Look. In the back of my head. Now this, like I said, I picked it out last night, but I'm thinking that I might need to just cut these stuff off, cut it shorter before I use these clippers. And that's probably what I'm gonna end up having to do. So, I mean, it started growing at some point, but then I used that stuff this month, the month of December, like last week, last week and the week before. And my hair started breaking off. So I got a brand new box from, the brand is Wahl, and it has 8 guards plus a left ear and a right ear guard, and then it came with a 1.5 inch and a 1/2 inch. It came with the guard covers. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is an ear trim guard. Here is an eyebrow. It's an eyebrow trim guard. Came with the 2 combs, this trimmer set, which I haven't taken out because I don't know if I'm even going to be using this or not. And then it came with instructions. It came with a little brush. It came with some oil. And here's the scissors, the shears. And here's a little brush to brush the stuff out of the teeth. So before I start cutting my hair, I'm going to measure my shortest hair length that I can find. It's a little over 2 inches. It's about 2.5 inches. It's about 2.5 inches. Can you see it? I got to measure how long my hair actually got this year. little over 5 inches. I might say about 6 inches or so coming from the root of my head. So the one thing that I do kind of regret the last time I cut my hair with the scissors was not having clippers to even everything out all over. So this time I'm gonna try it myself, but I'm not gonna have much hair, so I'm back to the beginning. I'm going right back to where I started in, what is it, I think 2015, 5 years ago. So it was the healthiest then. It grew out to like about 7 inches for the whole year, like from December to December. It was a like good 7 to 10 inches, I think. I don't know, it was a big afro. And then I bleached it at a certain point. So my hair did a lot of growing, and it was like at its healthiest stage. And it was thick with the bleaching. So now, put this off all over again. Gotta cut it off. Scared or not? Let's cut it off because it's annoying. Just cut it. There we go. I did it. I got a little patch in my head. Yeah, you can even see it in here. If you look at it, I mean, it's kind of hard to see because it's black. How thick the root looks versus how straggly this stuff looks. And that's just where the root is thick, and that's where it broke off at, I guess. So I'm just gonna cut, snip, snip, snip. Here we go, keep going. I done cut her. Ooh, look at my hair. It look crazy. I cut my hair. Just keep going, shall we? Okay, so it's all cut off now. Here's my handy dandy afro pick. Though it's dry and all that good stuff, it still hurts to pick it. At least my hair is somewhat even now, so now hope I don't get my head up there, y'all, because that would not be cute. I'm gonna start with the number 8 guard. You can see the difference in how long it is versus the other one. I have them pretty much even. So I'm gonna start with this one and just work my way down. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm figuring it out. I'm about to figure it out. So I've already oiled it. They had it on the cap. It said oil before use. So I put some oil on it. Let's see if I can get this on here right. Let's see. My hair is not 8 inches long because we measured it. So, oh, click. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'm scared. I'm scared. Do I supposed to put it at the scalp? It's gonna take my hair off. Isn't it? I'm doing it. Am I supposed to go like this? I don't want to take too much off. I put it all the way down to the front of my head. That's not even long enough. Oh my God. How's that gonna work? Oh, they did say, oh crap. They did say if you want it shorter, go back. If you want it longer, go forward or something like that. Oh my God. I'm cutting too much hair back. I cut my hair. I used the clippers for the first time. Yeah! I figured it out. Hey, I can do it. Oh well, might as well finish it now. I should have went to school for cosmetology. That showed me like that. I ain't holding this thing right. It's snowing, it's snowing. I done gapped up my head, y'all. Ooh. This part back here is much shorter. Ooh, it's fucked up. I guess I will have a 1-inch hair length. Here I am with the 7 guard, the number 7 guard, number 7. My hair messed up. Period. Cut this off right quick and pick it through again to see where my short spots are. Okay, so it's not gonna be even all over. It's gonna be, what is it called? Tapered. I don't know if it's gonna even be tapered because it's so short. Or it's either gonna be super, super short. I don't know. Trying to figure it out. I'm just trying to make it look at least even all the way around, and I'm gonna stop. The more and more I cut, the shorter and shorter it gets. I still gotta put my conditioner and stuff on it, so I'm done. I might go through with the scissors and you know, see if I can find any strays or even out some stuff or whatever. But I will show you the final look. I'm done. Peace. Thanks for watching, traders. I hope you enjoyed my experiment today. Yeah.